Hare Krishna. I want to show you this website geetalekhan.com. So the idea of this website is that you can write a personal copy of Bhagavad Gita every day, two slokas, and then you can have this personalized copy for yourself. Okay, I'll tell you how it works. Okay, go to the website geetalekhan.com. Okay, so this is a website by ISKCON Mayapur. This is an initiative taken up by ISKCON Mayapur. So what will you be doing as a part of this is you will register with them for Gita Lekhan, and after you register you get three books. Okay, one is the Bhagavad Gita shlokas with translation, and there is another Bhagavad Gita book, and then there is a book on a notebook for writing down Bhagavad Gita shlokas. So the exercise is every day you will write the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita here. Okay, so I'll tell you how it works. Let's see this website. Okay, so the idea is the first step is you will register. Okay, you will register. The registration fees is rupees 333 plus the delivery charges. And then after you register, you will receive your own Bhagavad Gita with all the Sanskrit verses along with the translations for your personal study. And an empty notebook also is given for your practice. Okay, and there is another book for the Harinama Lekhana notebook to write the Hare Krishna Mahamantra daily alongside the Gita verses and a Sankalpa Sutra. So what do you get? You get the one Bhagavad Gita book, and there are two notebooks. One notebook for writing down the Bhagavad Gita shlokas, and another one for writing down Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day. All right, so then you begin your practice by writing every day at least two verses of the Gita. So every day you will be reading two verses of the Bhagavad Gita and you will be writing down, and then you will read the translation and recite the verses two times. Okay, there's no need to write the translation, you just write the verses inside the notebook. So what do you do after completion of this? Okay, after the completion of this, what you do is you will take these notebooks, both the notebooks, Bhagavad Gita notebook and Harinam Lekhana. One is containing Bhagavad Gita shloka, one is containing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And then you will take it and you will bring both of these notebooks when you go to ISKCON Mayapur, when you go to Mayapur to take darshan. So at that point of time, you will offer this to the lotus feet of the Lordships, Lord Sri Sri Radha Madhav. Okay, you will be offering it there. Okay, and then when is this? When they are relocated to the temple of the Vedic Planetarium. Okay, by the time you finish this, the temple of Vedic Planetarium would have been ready and Radha Madhav would have been relocated to the Vedic Planetarium temple. Okay, so now among these two notebooks, the Bhagavad Gita handwritten book, you will get it back as prasad. But the notebook that you have written Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day, right? That notebook, you should offer it there. Okay, that notebook will be kept in Mayapur under the dome in the TOVP campus. All the notebooks which are written Hare Krishna Mahamantra, whoever has written, all the notebooks will be kept in that dome. Alright, so this is about the website. This is about the idea. This is a nice exercise. It is actually helps us to read Bhagavad Gita regularly every day, so that we can read two shlokas of Bhagavad Gita every day with attention and recite it and write it. Okay, and then you also chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and then you also write it inside this. Okay, so this is the whole idea. The total idea is like Shatalaksha Gita Lekhana Mahayajna. Shatalaksha, that means 100 lakhs. Okay, that is like one crore. Okay, so 1 crore Gita books have to be written. So that's the idea of this website. Alright, so go ahead to this website geetalekhan.com and register yourself here, and I'll just show you the registration form here. The registration form, go here, and then you will enter your name, details, and then you'll do a phone pay. There's a phone pay UPI scan here. You just scan this and take the screenshot and attach that screenshot to along with this, and fill the whole form. Okay, it's a simple form. Select the payment amount. If you are from other state other than West Bengal, select 453 rupees, 453 rupees. including the delivery charges. Give your name, PIN code, email address, WhatsApp number, date of birth, Gotra, profession, and the book language that you want. So the languages that are available are English, Hindi, Bangla, and Gujarati. All right, only 4 languages available. And then the date of registration, you'll put it the current date, and your signature, you just sign something here like this. All right, and then if you have any special request or comment, you put it here and register. So that's about it, dear devotees. Hare Krishna. So all the best to all of you who are wanting to do this Gita Lekhan program. So Hare Krishna to all of you. Thank you very much.